Alright, I'm gonna try to install Too Many Items, and I just did a Google search for Too Many Items. Hit the top link, scroll down for 1.7.4, and there's only a non-Forge option because Forge is not available for 1.7.4. The latest Forge available is 1.7.2. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and download this puppy. And because it's a non-Forge, you have to go to your app data and then your .minecraft, and you gotta look for your versions. And so you got I have a couple here, mainly because I was using Optifine, but I'm gonna create now a copy of the 1.7.4 and name it Too Many Items, and copy that. Come in here, you're going to want to edit this as well, the JSON file. Would have done a lot easier with a WordPad or something. Let me try that. There we go. And this is the ID. We want to change that. Alright. So now we can fire up Minecraft. One more thing. I gotta go in here, open archive with 7-zip. Kill this. And go to where I downloaded the actual zip file, which is in my downloads folder. I mean, that could vary depending on where you're set to download stuff. Alright, now all these files here, I'm going to select them all with a Control A and drag them right into my .jar. And it says, do you want to copy them too? Say yes. And you're going to want to delete this meta INF. Say yes, and then we could close that. Close. And let's fire it up. Alright, so now we should have a new profile built that we made manually for a new profile type, I should say. So now we're going to make a new profile, and we should be able to select that new profile type from here. Oh, I don't see it. That didn't work. Alright, I figured out a problem. You not only have to update the entry for ID and add the TMI, you also have to rename both files, the file names, to the and append that underscore TMI. So both of the file names needs to match the folder name for the new profile that we just built. Alright, so now we're going to fire up Minecraft, and we're going to build a new profile. We'll just call this 1.7.4 with TMI. And we're going to choose that new release that we added manually. And I always like to start it with at least a gig, so you could always use those. Alright, let's go ahead and select that and play. And let's see if it works. Yeah, see if it works, and if it works, you can stop the video.
How do I stop the video?
On the bottom.
Is it on mute?
Recorder app. You first start the app. Start Minecraft.
Is it on mute?
No.
Oh, so they can hear me?
Hello. How you doing? It works. Look at that. Just like that. Hey there. How do I stop? How do I stop recording?
On the bottom, there's an app that's open called Recorder.
Yep.
In your taskbar.
That's part. This is it, right?
And then
Oh.